Yeah, so far that turbo pull is awesome, of course. So I really like how Mercedes and a lot of your higher end Mercedes-Benzes, you've got that option where the bolsters kind of hug you as you make a sharp turn. And that is just one of the best things ever. It kind of prepares you for what you're gonna do next, kind of. But overall, even in sport mode or with the sport suspension, the ride is really smooth. So I'm gonna put it in comfort mode, see if I can tell the difference. Wow. Yeah, the comfort mode is, oh yeah, that's really nice. Yeah, the comfort mode is so comforting, it could put you to sleep. It really could. This is just awesome. But overall, the drivability of this is really, really good. And I mean, that's why Mercedes continues to make them. But you've got the sportiness of, let's say, an SL 550, but you've got the comfort of an S-Class. Like, they really did get the best of both worlds with this one. And the eco mode is very intuitive too. When you nail it, it doesn't even, I shouldn't say that. When you give it gas, it doesn't want to throw you back like it does in regular mode. We're gonna go ahead and give it some throttle here. And the car does a really good job of sticking to the pavement. Of course, with it being all-wheel drive, that's not going to be an issue. But yeah, coming down this highway, it just feels fantastic. The ride quality is so great. Just really quick off the line, just really, really fast. And the bolsters are really good, just based on how hard you're turning the wheel and kind of the atmosphere. That's how hard the bolsters adjust to make sure that you're not sliding all over the place. And this steering wheel just feels incredible. And those turbos are just fantastic, just super. Oh man, that is just so awesome. Just a really quick car, but you can dial it down when you're not trying to have fun and accelerate hard. It rides. It's one of the best rides I've ever been in. This is a great car, it really is. The performance is there, the comfort is there, you can't beat it. Well, that brings us to the end of my review of the 2017 Mercedes-Benz CLS 550 4MATIC.